All right, folks, so this is our tied for first place RV of the day. It's a Grand Design Imagine 2021 2600 RB. We love that rear bath floor plan. It's right at 30 feet, which is where we want to be. That's your stats. Don't know anything about RV slides, but that looks real heavy duty to me. I can appreciate that. We'll look inside this if I can get it open. All of your hookups here goes down underneath. Lots of storage. I could probably fit a mountain bike or two in there, maybe a kayak. Non-automatic levelers, which I don't like more things that can break than I have to. Got the fancy LED lights like they all have. Huge awning, which is awesome, and I love that the awning doesn't go over a slide. Outdoor speakers. It's just awesome. I love it. Nice heavy duty steps for my big body. Okay. So this is tied with the Winnebago as far as the same floor plan. Little differences here and there. The Winnebago, it's just one giant closet here at the entry, whereas on this one, it's all storage in the front, which I like that it's divided up more that way. But you do lose a fireplace, whatever. This is storage for VCR or PlayStation or something. A little bit smaller TV than the Winnebago. Pretty standard size fridge. I think it's probably 8 or 10 cubic feet. The MSRP of this model is $37. Winterization and Arctic 4-season protection package, all that. Nice sink, nice countertop space. It's really nice. Feels well built. Looks pretty. One thing different with this than the Winnebago is the Winnebago had the refrigerator in the corner here, so you lost all these windows, and the windows, I mean, it feels so bright in here. We're in an RV park and it's nice.
And I'm having a massage.
Yes. And your beautiful face brightens up the RV too, darling. Big countertop in the shower or bathroom. You guys can see my mug. I like that the toilet is angled. Gives us a little space. Good 30 by 36 inch shower. It fits me. Would really love to see them start to get rid of this and give us a maybe 44 inch shower. I don't see the use of that. I mean, there is some use, but what am I going to put in there and have to reach back 3 feet to find? Like, it's just, maybe, I don't know. Maybe one day we'll realize that I need all that space, but as of now, I don't see it. We'd probably get rid of the U-shape. I know there's storage under here. Everybody loves their storage. But I think we want just the regular chairs.
And the downside to this one is that the slide will cut off access to the bedroom.
Exactly, which the Winnebago did not, because the Winnebago had a second door in the bedroom. This one, you get a bigger living space, I believe, because they don't have to leave space in front of here for the door, because the door would be there. The bed is also not a king like the Winnebago, or at least it felt like a king. This is a queen for sure. But we laid on it. It would definitely be manageable. There's just, everything's really nice, well built. Both companies seem like they do a great job. This AC blows cold, man. I'll tell you what, it's a warm day and it feels great in here too. But yeah, that's it. We love it. I don't know what we would go with. We like the idea of being able to boondock at a Walmart and not pull out our slides to go to sleep, but I don't know. This feels real nice. It does not have an outdoor kitchen. It just has hookups and speakers and things like that. But it, I believe, was it this one that had? No, this one didn't have solar hookups. Anyway, is that not a convection oven?
We got an oven. I
You
almost
have
think
a
I'd
little.
rather have a convection mode.
Oh, they got the little. They got the divider so it doesn't burn up your food on the bottom.
Nice.
That's what they say the biggest problem with these are. It's nice. Big enough for a Tostino's pizza or something. Oh, wow. Look at this.
For pots and pans.
That's so smart. You can move them around.
Oh, is this like for silverware?
I guess this is why we need to open more of these drawers, huh? This is fancy.
Is this the pet food bowl that they said?
Oh, I think this is a pet-friendly RV, yeah. No, this one isn't because it's the one with the carpet. They said there was no carpet in
I
that.
would hate to have to get my silverware down here, though, honestly. Maybe just you.
Maybe that's for cups and stuff. Who knows? This is awesome, though. I had no idea. Lots of space underneath. I tell you what, that looks like really easy plumbing work for me. No garbage disposal, though. I never really thought about that in an RV.
Just eat all your food. Don't dispose of anything.
Yeah. A little bit of storage up here. All right, on to the next one.